Good morning, guys. So, excuse the hot mess. We just came back from the gym. It is 5:58. Eden and I went to the gym because we slept early. I slept early, I think before like 10:30. And then we didn't get to work out yesterday because I was tired and Eden came home late. And then so we just slept early and we went to the gym early. So now we are about to get the kids up for bed. And Eden made the kids lunches last night, so it would be ready this morning. He's making coffee because he's the best husband in the world. He had to work. He worked, what, 13 hours yesterday?
No, 12.
12 hours, and he got his lunch, and I think we're gonna have eggs and toast.
Sunny side up.
Sunny side up for breakfast. Yep, so the kids are gonna wake up. They usually wake up at 6 o'clock. Alrighty, so these are the kids' breakfast. Leia's pancake and the kids' eggs and toast, and this is mine and Eden's. That's a lot of pepper. I think I went a little over on the pepper. He's all ready for school.
Can you sign this?
Sure. Hi, Leia, you ready for school? No? We have carpool and she wants me to drive her to school, but I'm driving the big kids today. So she's sad. So I'm off to work and I'm actually running late. But yeah, so I took all the kids to school, got the house cleaned up, and I think that's it. And then after school, I'm gonna be picking up all the kids, and Nathan has an emergency ortho appointment because one of his brackets or something got loose, or I don't know, like broke off or something, so he needs to go there. But yeah, so I will see you guys in a couple hours. Hey guys, so I just got home. It is 2:50. So I get off at 1:30, and after picking up all the kids, I barely get back. And it's like 2:50. So, but I do have like four other kids in addition to my 3 kids that I pick up. Is it 4? 2, 4. Yeah, 4 other kids. So yeah, but now the kids want snack, but I'm just taking Ginger out to go potty. And I'll probably sit down. I'll tell the kids I'm gonna sit down for like 10 minutes before I get their snack. They want quesadillas, so that's it. It's nice. It was nice today. Work was good. I love those kids. They're so cute. It is tiring, but I love it. I love my job so much. I'm so grateful for my job. Right, so I'm just making quesadillas for the kids. Tortilla with the cheese. All from Costco. And butter. Yum. So I started dinner and I completely forgot. I wanted to film this, but I'm in a rush because I have to take Nathan to his ortho appointment, and yeah, it's just been crazy. But I have chicken and mushrooms over here. I have onions over here sauteing, and garlic with olive oil, and then now I'm making chicken creamy pesto chicken. So this is the heavy whipping cream and the pesto. I'm just going to put everything together and season it, and I'll show you guys. I probably won't be able to plate it until after I get back from the dentist appointment. So that's it. So this is how the cream looks like, and then chicken and mushrooms, and this is a pesto that I use from Costco. Okay, what happened with your teeth?
Nothing.
Alright guys, so it is 6:26 and I just got home from the dentist, and Eden just got home, and we are gonna have dinner, and this is how it looks plated. So this is the creamy pesto chicken with mushrooms. Looks so good. I tasted it and it was really good. You guys, this is my absolute favorite view ever. I love the sunset views here. Just taking Ginger out. There she is. She's going potty. Good job, Ginger. Get treat. I'm gonna make dessert right now for the girls and Nathan. Eden's taking a nap and I was just on the couch. I was about to fall asleep, but it's I think like 7:40, 7:45. I am making dessert for me and the kids because Eden doesn't like sweets, so he'll probably have a sip of ours. But so I'm making frozen hot cocoa or hot chocolate. So I have two envelopes of the milk chocolate flavor hot cocoa, and then I put like a scoop of the mocha cappuccino, and then there's milk in there, and there's also the heavy whipping cream, just maybe like half a cup, and then so the hot cocoa, and then some ice cream and ice. So I'm just gonna blend this up. Alright guys, so I kept this grande Starbucks cup from a couple days ago, and I just put my frozen hot cocoa in it, and I drizzled some chocolate, Hershey's chocolate, and voila, you got some mocha frappe, and it's so good, super good.
It's kind of my rag.
All right, guys.
Oh, it's called. Oh, get it? Rags to riches, right? Cause see, instead of spending $40 on a new shark steamer, okay, you get a rag, right? And you just kind of like check this out, like 1, 2, 3. It's not that hard, you know. I mean, you just put it on. You get a little suction on right there, and just push. It's like an old school mop. And then voila.
Wow.
And then let's see the before and after. Oh, see, look how dirty.
That's so nasty.
Okay.
You guys, and
then you can use this as a body wash bag. Right? It has soap already in it, so actually you don't need to rinse it. You just use it, get it wet.
Yeah. All right, guys. So.
Wow.
He just worked. How many hours did you work today? 10 hours? We're gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys. We're gonna end the vlog here because kitchen's clean, lunches are made, and it's time for bed. It's 9 o'clock. So we're just gonna hang out. Say goodnight. Can you close out the vlog?
Watch MasterChef Junior?
No.
No.
Say goodnight. Thanks for watching, guys.
I don't do goodbyes.
We'll see you next time. Bye.